Bitcoin just slipped to $79,000, while negative funding rates hit a 10-year record, intensifying short pressure and volatility. Major coins like Doge and ETH also declined, with 67 straight days of negative funding rates signaling extreme market stress. Analysts note the setup for a possible short squeeze if Bitcoin breaks $83,200, but warn that overbought signals and geopolitical risks could trigger further pullbacks. Trump's Truth Social just filed for 2 new crypto ETFs, including one tracking CRO with staking rewards. If approved, these funds managed by Crypto.com could open a new path for digital assets to enter mainstream markets. The SEC's decision timeline remains unclear, with governance questions and previous delays still unresolved. A massive $295 million hack linked to DPRK has forced Drift Protocol to unveil an unprecedented recovery plan. The protocol will issue loss tokens and build a recovery pool, allowing users to redeem their losses as funds are gradually restored. Drift also announced a 10% bounty for asset recovery and is working with partners and law enforcement to trace and reclaim stolen assets. A 4 GB Gemini Nano AI model is silently downloaded by Chrome to your device, even if you never agreed or notice. This file powers on-device AI features, but deleting it only triggers Chrome to re-download it unless you disable the function deep in settings. Privacy experts argue this practice violates EU e-privacy directive, as users are not clearly informed or asked for consent before storage. Strategy Inc. is signaling a major shift as it considers selling Bitcoin for the first time since adopting its never sell doctrine. The company revealed in its latest earnings call that selling BTC could be on the table if it boosts Bitcoin per share or improves capital structure. This move could reshape corporate Bitcoin treasury strategies and investor expectations moving forward. What if the secrets behind Anthropic's most powerful AI, OpenMythos, could be reverse engineered from public research? Developer Key Gomez launched OpenMythos on GitHub, offering a speculative codebase that reconstructs Mythos' architecture, though it lacks trained weights. This move highlights the growing demand for transparency and explainability in advanced AI models. What if Satoshi could prove control of his Bitcoin without ever revealing his keys? Paradigm's PACTs proposal introduces a private, quantum-resistant method for dormant holders to timestamp ownership, potentially safeguarding 1.1 million BTC before quantum threats emerge. This system uses secret salts, BIP 322 proofs, and on-chain commitments, offering a silent rescue path if Bitcoin faces a quantum sunset. What would happen if Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin holdings were forcibly seized? Charles Hoskinson warns such a move could destabilize the crypto market and erode trust in digital property rights. He points to Cardano's on-chain governance as a more stable alternative for handling systemic risks. Solana's co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko warns that Ethereum Layer 2 networks may not withstand future quantum computing threats. His statement has sparked renewed debate in the blockchain industry about the need for quantum-resistant cryptography. As quantum technology advances, the security of Layer 2 solutions and the broader crypto ecosystem faces fresh scrutiny. GPT 5.5 just solved a reverse engineering puzzle in 10 minutes, a task that took human experts 12 hours. The AI Security Institute reports GPT 5.5 can autonomously execute complex cyberattacks, matching Anthropic's Claude Mythos in offensive capability. This rapid leap in AI-driven cyber skills signals urgent risks for digital security worldwide. Elon Musk just told Accord that most cryptocurrencies are scams, even as X rolls out new crypto post features. X's cash tags now let users track BTC, ETH, Doge, and XRP with real-time feeds, signaling a push for a regulated financial ecosystem. This move positions X as a compliant platform, distancing itself from unregulated token markets, while building a licensed fintech infrastructure. Scammers thought they could hide behind borders, but global justice just caught up. The US, UAE, and China dismantled 9 crypto scam centers, arresting 276 suspects and indicting key figures. Over $11 billion lost to crypto fraud in 2025 highlights the urgent need for stronger international action.